Hello. Let's understand transversal. Transversals in geometry is any line crossing another line or lines. So a transversal could be, let's have two lines. So if I have two lines and cut by any other third line, that is a transversal, irrespective of the fact whether the two given lines, let's say line 1 and line 2, they are parallel or not. So if it is cut by any other line, it becomes a transversal. So transversal intersects two coplanar lines. Coplanar means that are there on the same plane at two different points. As you can see from these two lines, this line T is intersecting line L and M at 2 points, one here and one here. So line T is transversal to line L and M. One further, you can see that there are two arrow marks are there on these two lines, line L and M. These arrow marks shows that lines are parallel. I can write them that line L is parallel to line M. So this symbol, this notation, it represents parallel, right? Now that being said, let's talk about different types of angles. So the first we would like to discuss is corresponding angles. For corresponding angles, there are two things. A, they are on the same side of the transversal. Second thing, they form a combination of interior and exterior. Now, what does that mean? Same side of the transversal, if we look at the two lines and the transversal, how I can differentiate what is interior and what is exterior. The, the blue shaded area is the exterior part. Why? Because it is not included between the lines L and M. What is included between L and M, this defines the interior, right? This is the interior part, right? Now that being said, corresponding angles, they are on the same side of the transversal. So if this is the transversal, same side, that means either on the right hand side or on the left hand side, and the combination of interior and exterior angle. Let's say the one exterior angle is angle 1 because it is on the exterior side, right? The blue portion on the above diagram. So angle 1 is the exterior and I need a combination of interior as well. Let me take one interior as this one, angle 1 and 2. So angle 1 and 2, they are my corresponding angles. Okay, another thing, corresponding angles are equal. So angle 1 will be equal to angle 2, or should I say the measurement of angle 1 will be equal to the measurement of angle 2 because they are corresponding angles only if these two lines are parallel. So if it is given that the two lines are parallel and cut by transversal, then the corresponding angles will always be equal, right? Now, second type of angles are called alternate interior angles. Alternate interior. have two lines, and if it is given that they are parallel, cut by transversal, then alternate interior, they need to be interior. That means in between these two lines, line L and line M, the shaded region would be this one. They should lie between these two, and they alternate each other. Alternate means they lie opposite, just like alternate. One on one side and the another on the another side. So one angle on left and one on right. Let's label them 3 and 4. Because the two lines are parallel, I can say that measurement of angle 3 is equal to measurement of angle 4. So alternate interior angles, they are also equal. Based on that, we have another one that is called alternate exterior angle. Now, alternate exterior angle is based on the alternate interior only. As the name suggests, alternate exterior alternate exterior angles. So again, if we have two parallel lines, how we will identify parallel lines? With these two arrowheads. Cut by transversal. Let's make it more neat. So cut by transversal. And they are talking about exterior. Now what is the exterior? This is exterior. So outside. This blue part is the exterior. So they should be outside of those two lines, and they alternate each other. One on one side, one on the another side, one on right, one on left. Let's label it as 5 and 6. So measurement of angle. Okay, let's label it angle 1 only because we labeled that as angle 1 earlier. So angle 1 is equal to measurement of angle 6 because alternate exterior angles, they are also equal. Now, fourth in the category is called consecutive interior. This is also okay. So number 4, consecutive interior, and sometimes it is also called same side interior. Okay, so consecutive interior is also known as same side interior. So same side interior, as the name suggests, it will be either on the right hand side of the transversal or on the left hand side, right? But if the lines are somewhat like this and cut by transversal, so they might be on the upper part of the transversal or on the down part of the transversal. So these two lines, they are also forming the transversal, just changing the orientation of it. So same side interior. So same side interior will look like this. This teeny tiny angle, let's label it as 3 and let's label it as 4. So they are on the same side, right? Interior part. This is the interior part. and they are on the same side. So 3 and 4, they are called consecutive interior because the lines are parallel to each other. So same side interior angles, they are always supplementary. What are supplementary? That means that adds up to 180 degree. So I can say measurement of angle 3 plus measurement of angle 4 is nothing but 180 degree. Keep that thing in mind. We talked about corresponding and alternate as equal, but same side interior or exterior, they are 180 degree. Same thing will go with the consecutive exterior angles. Again, we have two sets of lines which are parallel to each other, and the lines could be parallel this way as well. Right? They are also parallel. So don't get confused with the orientation. Okay, so they are talking about the exterior. So if we talk about the exterior, that means we are talking about the exterior part. Exterior part, the same side exterior. Same side exterior, let's say this is 2 and 6. So same side exterior or same or consecutive will make always supplementary, which is nothing but 180 degree. So I can say measurement of angle 2 plus measurement of angle C is nothing but 180 degree. The easy or the another way to memorize these or understand this, it is a fun way. Why fun way? Because if I have two lines cut by transversal, these are my corresponding angles, right? Let's treat it two lines cut by transversal. They are forming same side interior, and another two lines cut by transversal. They are forming alternate interior. So corresponding makes F, same side interior makes a fun U, and alternate interior, my mistake, will make N. So geometry with little fun. And I can memorize it a little bit further in a way. I can say consecutive, they are corresponding, they are equal. It is same side interior, they will form 180 degree, and alternate interior will be equal as well. Form with corresponding alternate interior and same side interior angles.